Hello everybody, welcome to Temmy Crypto Live. Temmy Crypto Live, where crypto communities can get together and share their experiences. So thank you for being there. Thank you especially to the Temmy community that follows us every day. Thank you. Okay, today we're gonna have a very special Temmy edition. We're gonna be discussing basically about our coin today. So thank you very much for being there. Remember that if you have any questions or you want to make any requests for review for coins, please the chat box is open. We're going to take your requests and your greetings, your messages, whatever you want to say. Please use the chat box for that. So let's begin by taking a look at the market today. So let me open my web browser here so we can go to the trading view or trading view account. So and basically take a look at Bitcoin. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, Bitcoin is at 67,627, more or less what we predicted would happen. Yesterday we said Bitcoin could drop a little bit, so that's what it did. It dropped down to the 67,000 region and bounced up a bit, and it's currently at 67,598. Okay, so what do we expect for the next few hours? Well, possibly we'll have a bounce, but we'd like to see how strong that bounce up will be. There isn't that much strength in the move here to the downside, so we could see a very interesting move up. And let's take a look at the daily, so we can see something there a little bit more encouraging. No, actually we see the opposite. So the move down is consolidating, so even though we might bounce up a bit, probably by tomorrow we'll have a lower Bitcoin. So we hope that it doesn't go lower than 65,000. Let's see where the price may hold. Let's see, probably 64,000. Let's hope it doesn't go lower than that tomorrow. Okay, let's take a look at another time frame. This is the daily and the weekly. Let's see if the weekly chart seems or looks more promising. Uh-oh, no, it still doesn't look that promising. There was this bounce up to the 70,000 region. We thought that we had broken the channel here and expected to have this line here as support. See if we can extend the line, but it's not holding a support and it's retracing and moving downwards. Here we have strength, but to the downside, which might take us to a lower Bitcoin for next week. Not very good news. Let's 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 hope that the price holds in the $63,000 region for next week. If not, we could see a Bitcoin around $58,000 or lower. Okay, but let's not be so pessimistic. And in the 3 time frames that we've seen, we see a lower Bitcoin except for the 4 hours. So this is not financial advice, but we can trade Bitcoin for the next 24 hours. We can have a higher price, but then be aware of the fact that the likelihood of a lower Bitcoin for the next few days is not is very possible. It's a very possible scenario. Okay, so that's for the general market. Let's go ahead and take a look at the prices of the altcoins. So let's change the screen here. And okay, the altcoins. Let's go to CoinGecko. Okay. Let me see if I can scroll down. I should be able to do so. If not, we'll have to go to our web browser again. This doesn't seem to be working, so okay, so let's go to our web browser and let's go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, so Ethereum at $3,760, lower than yesterday, and almost 2% lower than yesterday. BNB lower 1% in relation, almost 1% in relation to yesterday's price. Dogecoin down 1.46, Shiba down 1.75, Toncoin holding its price at 6.53 in the past few days. It's been around that price, $6.50. Avalanche down 1.48%. Pepe down 8.70% when almost everybody was saying that it was a good time to buy Pepe. Pepe has retraced 10%. That's not good news for Pepe holders, but maybe good news for people who are interested in buying Pepe. So let's take a look at it more closely. The 7-day price range, well, an interesting price at the moment. So would you consider a good entry? 0.000015. What do you think? Will you buy Pepe at this price? Okay, if you compare this price to 1 month ago, well, you can see that this might be an opportunity. Okay, so that's for Pepe. Let's go back to the other coins that we've been following. closely. Let's take a look at the render up 1.44. Dog with head width at 372. Very good price. I mean, not to buy, but 3.75, getting closer to $4. When last week it was at 2 something, so width has gone up. Let's see. 7 days, you see the past 7 days width was at 2.9 7 days ago, is 3.72 currently. So good for the people holding width. A good time to buy? Probably not. If you'd ask me, I'd pass. Okay. Flocky down 5.71. Another interesting coin for someone who's looking to buy something. And Bonk down 12.26. I don't perceive in the air that people are interested in Bonk at the moment. So even though it's a good retracement and maybe for some good idea to buy, I don't feel like I should. If they'd ask me, I probably would not buy. Okay, so that's for the general market and the altcoins. So let's go back to our cover picture. So at this point, I'd like to see if some people are connected. If not, we'll continue with the next topic of the day. Okay. All right. For some reason, I can't see the chat here. Live chat. Okay, let me put something there. Hi, everybody. Okay. So, the next topic I'd like to touch on is about our community and Temmy. We're going to, let's see, let me take a look at this one here. So we're going to start a new section of our show, which is going to be called Temmy to a million. Okay, so on our road to $1 million market cap. So here we're going to be discussing what we can do and we can expect for our coin and the news related to Temmy, and everything about Temmy we'll be discussing in this section. So one thing I can promise is that we will be broadcasting or streaming every day until we reach $1 million market cap. It is a bold statement actually, because that means I have to commit to what my promise is. So it could be tough, but I will stick to my promise. Maybe it does not take too long to reach 1 million market cap. Several coins that started as a pump.fun coin or launch ended up being a $1 million market cap or multiple $1 million market caps. So It is not impossible. It is very possible, actually. We've seen coins reach $30 million market caps, and even more. So why not Temmy? Why not Temmy? Okay, so one of the assets that we have is actually this show. Not many coins have a live stream or YouTuber or influencer talking about Temmy, or sorry, not Temmy, but a meme coin every day. So we have this show, and we are promoting Temmy daily. So that is something to consider, especially for investors that are looking for a coin, a meme coin, to put their money into. So in this section, we're going to also check out the price and the the volume, and how people are getting interested in the coin, etc., etc. So let's take a look at the price at the moment. So let's go to our DEX screener view. Let me see. So Temmy here. Well, I have to apologize that yesterday, for some reason, the streaming did not go. Well, it was actually interrupted. I don't know exactly what happened because I kept talking, but I was off the air, so I apologize for that. So let me show you what the price is at the moment. Let me see, let's go here and here. Okay. Alright, so here we have Temmy, and we put some lines there. So the price is holding the 0.000012. Okay, this line is not so well drawn. Now we are in a position of let's see, yeah, there's a risk here that this line it's been broken. Let's hope that we recover this this round here, and we have a bullish continuation. Okay, so I think that's very possible. This is in the 1 hour time frame. The 4 hours, well, this is not, the line is not valid for that. Let's see here. Okay, this is the daily. I want to get rid of that line, because in the daily it doesn't look too, no, it does not correspond. This line corresponds to the hourly chart. But anyhow, we see a recovery in the price. So we have to hold this, the 0.000010 level. So we are not doing badly. We just need to recover some ground here and then continue up. Okay, so this section is our road to $1 million market cap. Not impossible, as I said. We're talking about a price of 0.0010, only 2 zeros, right? So that'll be something like this. Okay, so difficult but not impossible. Good. Now let's check out if our Telegram group. Let's see if we have any messages. Okay, so I posted a survey to see if the live stream was at a good time. 57% said yes, 29% said no, and 14% didn't know that we have a YouTube channel. So I think we have to promote the channel a little more in our community. Okay, so said that, let's go ahead and take up some. Let's see, let me see if there's people connected. By the way, how did you like the interview we had with Ayetu community? To me, it was a really good interview. We got lots of insight of what's happening in Africa. Many people are unbanked and they need solutions like what the Ayetu community is trying to promote in the country. I mean, we talked about Nigeria a lot, but we also talked about the continent in general, the African continent. And I assume that if they are successful in Africa, that experience could be translated or transferred to other parts of the world where they can make Ayetu work. Okay, so they invited us to join their community, their Telegram groups. I don't know if they have a Discord. I think basically they work with Telegram, and also their Twitter to keep up to date with the developments. Almost every week they have new developments in their project, so very interesting. I'm also going to approach some of the other Ayetu people and see if we can do some more close collaboration with them. Okay, so let's check out the headlines, the crypto headlines. For that, let's go to YouTube and see what people have been saying about crypto in the last few hours. Okay, so for that we're going to check out my feed, let's see. For example, here we have this one that was streamed 11 hours ago. Buy early every time. Full guide. How to make money copying memecoin insiders. Well, I watched this video. Very interesting, but it looks like a laborious task to find the wallets that are making the most money. So it's not an easy task. If interested and you have a lot of free time, you could follow the instructions there. Okay. Then Miles has this short here that says the crypto meme coin rally is only just getting, I assume, getting started. Let's see.
Meme coins have been exploding recently, with Pepe, with Bonk, all 10xing over the last 60 days. It's clearly the hottest trend in crypto, but I don't think the meme coin rally is over just yet. In fact, I think they're going to go a lot higher, and here's why. The first thing you have to understand is that crypto is a reflexive asset class, meaning as price increases, the fundamentals actually improve. That's why momentum is unstoppable during a crypto bull run. Given the recent Bitcoin rally, news outlets like CNBC and Bloomberg are covering crypto daily. This exposes crypto to a much wider audience and triggers FOMO amongst sidelined retail users. And when retail comes back,
okay, well,
meme coins have been exploding recently, with Pepe, with Bonk.
back. Okay. Seems like an older video, not so recent, but what he's saying is obviously right. Yeah, one of the narratives that have been exploding recently in this particular cycle is meme coins. If last cycle it was NFTs, this cycle it is meme coins that has captured the attention of most investors. What else do we have? Okay, then he says easy 10x. Well, nothing is an easy 10x, but let's see, inside Peru's hidden Bitcoin revolution. Okay, let me I will check this one out. It looks interesting. How to make 100,000. That's a clickbait. This is not as fantastic as it seems. And here we have this one, warning, Bitcoin warning signal flashing now. Yeah, talking about the line that was broken that we mentioned before. So it seems like we're heading down in the next couple of weeks. But who knows? Is this the most likely scenario? But you know, in crypto you never know for sure. Okay. Now this one looks interesting. Doing a rug pull live so you understand how it works. Not very ethical of this person to do that. Well, anyhow, I don't want to judge so quickly if I haven't seen the video. Okay, so that's what I have on my feed today, my YouTube feed. Alright guys, so we've had an interesting chat for the past 30 minutes. If you don't have any questions, we'll call the show just to continue our Bitcoin, our cryptocurrency, and our Temmy discussions tomorrow. So thank you very much for joining us. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, buy and hold Temmy. We want to grow this one and reach our goal, and our goal is Temmy to 1 million. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, good day, depending on where you are. Take care. Bye.